Welcome back to CarScope, your ultimate destination for the world's most luxurious and high-performance rides. Today, we're diving deep into the world of pure elegance, innovation, and unmatched power. The all-new 2026 Mercedes Maybach SL. This isn't just a car. It's a statement of status, sophistication, and next-level automotive excellence. Mercedes has taken the SL badge, which already stands for super light, and infused it with the signature luxury DNA of Maybach, creating a roadster that's as breathtaking to drive as it is to look at. At first glance, the 2026 Maybach SL commands attention like no other. The long, sleek hood, the low and wide stance, and the signature Maybach grille immediately tell you this is a vehicle crafted for those who expect the best. Every curve and every line has been sculpted not just for beauty, but for aerodynamic precision. The chrome accents and digital light headlamps add a futuristic yet regal touch, while the retractable soft top folds away smoothly in just seconds, transforming this luxury coupe into an open-air masterpiece. Whether you're cruising through Monaco, Malibu, or downtown Dubai, the Maybach SL makes sure every eye is on you. Under the hood, Mercedes hasn't held anything back. Powering this grand machine is a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with mild hybrid technology, pushing out around 600 horsepower. That means 0 to 100 km/h in under 3.8 seconds. Pure Maybach performance with Mercedes engineering perfection. The 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC plus all-wheel drive system ensure every ounce of power is delivered with precision, while the adaptive air suspension glides over the road like magic. It's not just fast, it's flawlessly smooth, combining luxury comfort with sports car agility. Step inside, and you're immediately wrapped in an atmosphere of elegance and technology that only Maybach can deliver. The interior feels like a first-class lounge on wheels, featuring handcrafted Napa leather, diamond stitching, and customizable ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood. The seats are not just heated and ventilated. They offer massage functions, memory settings, and even temperature balancing technology. The massive 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen and digital cockpit bring the latest MBUX system to life, giving you AI-powered controls, augmented reality navigation, and even voice commands that make you feel like the car understands you personally. And then there's the attention to detail. The Maybach logo is subtly embossed on the headrests, door panels, and even the pedals. The Burmester 4D surround sound system turns every drive into a private concert. The Maybach SL is designed not just to move you from place to place, but to make every second behind the wheel an experience to remember. Mercedes has also emphasized sustainability and modern luxury with this model. Lightweight materials, eco-friendly leather options, and advanced hybrid systems show that even the pinnacle of luxury can be responsible. There's also talk of an upcoming plug-in hybrid version, offering electric-only driving for short distances, perfect for the elite who value both power and progress. On the road, the 2026 Maybach SL is a dream to drive. The steering feels perfectly weighted. The brakes are sharp, yet refined, and the ride quality is second to none. Whether you're accelerating on a highway or cruising along a scenic coastal route, the car feels balanced, powerful, and incredibly composed. It's the perfect blend of performance and grace. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach SL isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. It represents the future of luxury roadsters, combining Maybach's legendary comfort with the sporty soul of the SL lineup. For those who demand excellence in every detail, this car is the ultimate choice. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the new 2026 Mercedes Maybach SL, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to CarScope, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our latest luxury car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, where we explore the next level of automotive perfection.